is asked to draw an isometric view, you have to use the true scale. And if it is asked to draw an isometric projection, you have to use the isometric scale, means the reduced dimension. So this is your true dimensional dimensions are used here, and this is the reduced dimension which is used to draw the isometric projection. And for that 9 by 11 term, how it's coming out is you can understand from this graph shown here. Okay, so suppose uh, there is a one cube is there. Okay, so what is the actual angle in between the cube faces? It is the 90-degree angle. But when you are drawing the isometric view, what is the angle between these two faces? These two faces, it is the angle is 120-degree. How? This is the axis OL, this is the axis OD, and the angle between two axes is nothing but the 120-degree. Okay. Similarly, this angle is nothing but 30-degree, and this angle is nothing but 30-degree. Okay, so this angle is 120-degree, but in actual the angle between two faces is nothing but 90-degree. So suppose I am making the true angle of in between the faces. Okay, so I can draw a line like this and like this. So uh, this angle will be nothing but the 45-degree. Okay, so here I am drawing a line AD, which is at the angle of 45-degree. It is the true length, and I am also drawing a line AC, which is at 30-degree. So it is the isometric length. Okay, so from this graph you can see your AB is nothing but AD cos of 45-degree and also AC cos of 30-degree. So AB is AD cos 45-degree and AC cos 30-degree. When uh, when you solve it, you will get AC is equal to 9 by 11 of AD. Means isometric length is equal to 9 by 11 of true length. Okay, so here are some example. Suppose there is a rectangle shape. Okay, suppose this rectangle shape is in the front view. So how will you draw the front view of an rectangle in a isometric view? Okay, so first you have to draw the two axes, that is nothing but the L and H. This is your length, this is your height. So the two axes I will draw is L axis and H axis. Okay, and it is asked to draw isometric view. Mainly you have to draw the true dimensions of the this rectangle. So this is your front view. This distance AB and BC are true length. Okay. Similarly, suppose this rectangle you can see in the top view. If it is a top view, then this will be length and this will be depth. Okay. So you have to draw other two axes, that is L and D, and you can draw easily that the rectangles by marking this point with respect to B and this point with respect to A or C. Similarly, if there is a triangle, so how can you make the isometric view of a triangle in the front view? First, what you have to do, you have to cover it with a rectangle, and you know how to draw an isometric view of a rectangle. Okay, then These 2 points are 1 and 2, and you know the point 3 is the midpoint of A and B.